It's your boy Martin G, aka Netpreneur, and welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial, I want to teach you how to rewrite articles in your own words and make them original, unique, and free from plagiarism. So if you're a blogger, a webmaster, a content writer, or a freelance article or content writer, just if you kind of do anything related to writing, chances are that you would need articles or you need contents on a regular basis, and you might not have the opportunity to sit down and write these articles yourself because it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of effort and energy. So to save you the stress, sometimes you might just have to lift, like copy an already written article from another source and just try to edit it a little to make it original. But so today I want to show you a quick way, a software, a free premium tool that you can use to rewrite articles in your own words and make them free from plagiarism. So guys, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, you know the practice. Grab a bowl of coffee, grab a cup of coffee, a bowl of popcorn, or your favorite soda, and let's get started. But before we proceed, I need you to do something for me. It's a tradition whenever you come to my channel. So if this is your first time of watching any of my videos or visiting my channel or checking out my contents, kindly hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos or edit existing contents. This is to ensure that you don't miss out on my freebies because I regularly give out free stuff. So to keep you informed and make sure you don't miss out whenever I give out this free stuff, kindly show some love, subscribe, and also tap the bell notification icon. So guys, if you've done that, let's get straight to the business of today. And like I said today, I want to show you how you can rewrite articles and make them original, unique, free from plagiarism using your own words. So if you want me, because I'm with you, let's get started. Okay guys, for the demonstration purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using a free tool known as freetoolshub.com. So if you've been watching some of my videos, you would observe I usually talk about this platform because it's a free SEO and digital marketing tools platform where you can use over 150 tools for free without paying a dime. All these tools are free to use and you can use it over and over again without paying a dime. So guys, we've landed on the page and right now we need to search for the article spinner or article rewriter tool. So just enter the search box and say article. So let's use the article spinner tool. Okay, so we've landed on the page of the article spinner. And right now we need to look for a sample article to rewrite. So let's check out this website and just copy one or two paragraphs from the articles or any of the articles on that website. We're going to use this for our tutorial. Okay guys, so let's just copy something from here. Let's copy something from here. So just copy only the first two paragraphs, okay? I don't want to take much of your time. I just want to show you a simple demonstration on how you can rewrite any article in your own words and make them free from plagiarism and unique. So just paste it. So we've pasted the text we want to rewrite. Okay, let's just use only the first paragraph. That'll be just fine. And we'll scroll down and we'll click on spin. So what you can actually choose the language you want to rewrite or spin your articles to with this free tool. But since we're writing an English text, let's stick to English. So just scroll down and click on spin and wait for it to process. Awesome. So the article has spun our text, or the software, the article writer, article spinner software has spun the copied text or pasted into the box. And so right now I want to show you how you can actually rewrite this article using your own words to make them unique and free from plagiarism. So Each of these articles that is highlighted, that is the color text, are the words that were actually spun by the article rewriter software. And to make them unique and with our own words, you just have to click on each of the articles. And as you can see, the original content was pro, so the suggestions were pro and seasoned. Okay, so you can either choose seasoned, or you can add your own word. Okay, so to add your own, you just have to look for the nearest meaning to pro. Okay, so I'll show you another free tool. It's called that's a thesaurus or so. Thesaurus, yeah. This website, word hippo. So you can actually use it to find words that are nearest in meaning. So we just copy pro, copy this, and say, okay, what's another word for pro? Click on find it. So we just have to scroll down and see, and we look for the word that is closest in meaning to what we want. So if you go back to the article, you will notice that Revito Seasoned or Revito Pro is a dietary supplement. So let's check for another word for supplement or dietary or nutritional. You can use nutritional, and if you want to check another word for dietary, just copy this. We go back here and enter and click on find. Okay, dietary. You could use nourishing, wholesome, nutritious, but since we have nutritional already here, we can say, since we have dietary, we can either, the original word was dietary, and you can use nutritional or nutritious. Okay, you just click on nutritional. And if we still want to look for another word that wasn't suggested to us, you can come here and say a beneficial or wholesome, something like that. Just you need to look for something that's close, that is very close in meaning to the text, and just spin it and change, so that way you can actually rewrite your articles and make them unique using your own words. And once you're done, or if you're satisfied with the way the article is spin, it will actually spawn your text for you. You can simply click on finish to proceed. Okay, you just click on finish to download your unique article. Yeah, so that's how you can use this free article spinner tool to rewrite articles in your own words. This tool is free to use, and you can use it over and over again. And once you're done with spinning or writing your articles in your own words, you can download them in text format or HTML format. You can download to your PC or to whatever device you're using and upload to your blogs or website, as the case may be. And if you still want to check, go the extra mile to check if there's any trace of plagiarism, you just need to click this button. It's going to redirect you to the plagiarism checker page. Okay, guys, so this is how you can write articles and make them unique 100% in your own words without using any paid tool. This tool is free to use, and you can use it over and over again. I hope you found value watching this video. If indeed you've actually enjoyed or learned something from this video, kindly hit the like button. Also, don't forget to share this video in your social media platform, because sharing is caring and caring is sharing. Thanks for watching. Watch out for my next videos. Stay blessed. I'm signing out.